Welcome back to Jesse's Performance, everybody. Today, the Burn Bird gets a heart transplant. Our blown LS is here, and we are gonna get it in the car as fast as we can. We got a lot of work to do. Let's go. Did you mark those? We're not putting foot on this car, Kyle. Dear God. That is not the original bolt there. A bigger bolt? Mm-hmm. Gonna need to buy some more gold spray paint for that motor. So you get some Trans Ams to run good. You paint the motor's gold. Weird nut in the back here, Kyle. Give me a crescent wrench or something. This fingers. Yeah, we're not hurting. We're not tearing anything important up here, I promise you that. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Never mind.
That was a really long bolt for that.
Well, look how they got this thing. Baller. Oh yeah.
They just painted it with the hinges on.
All right. Do we have the long bolts? Yeah. In the bin. All right, Kyle. 7/16 by 4.
No squeaking? Lift up on it,
Two pumps, Kyle. Maybe 3.
Use the 2 pumps.
Maybe 3.
Yeah.
Right there. Just come on in with it a little bit, Kyle. We're not like unsafely doing it. Okay? Oh, then this is not gonna work. Well, it might. Go for it. Push it back. Actually, perfect. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. It's alright. Come on down. Alright. Want those mounts real quick? Let's put those in. Oh man, everything's clearing pretty well.
It's over here.
It's up here on the front. And then we do want those spacer plates. Now, let's see if we can't go back a good ways here.
There we got the car. Oh. We have to manhandle it back.
How much space? Because we want to go back. We're gonna go back probably 3 inches. So looking at that.
So, okay, so let's push this down, but back in the back, and
We can't really reset it because we don't have any length of boom. We got a little bit, we could cheat, but
yeah.
let's just kind of get these on there,
Okay.
matching. We'll just push it back and we'll let it down
Okay.
into it.
Yep.
You got bolts?
Oh yeah, they're throwing too. Right.
You want a couple bolts, Kyle? So where are you going with it?
So I
No,
think for the holes.
No, yeah, let's go. Well,
Maybe that's stick hole here.
let's just all work on one side here.
Push and then.
No. Cup. We go up with it. We
Yeah.
put the mount where we want it. Then we come down and stab it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But where do you want the mount though?
Well, give me just a second. What'd you do with the bar?
That doesn't go there.
That's what she said. Okay. So I think, Kyle, your back bolt needs to go in the second hole. Second hole. Let's try that. So that's why we're doing this on a non-painted subframe, huh, Kyle?
Can you look more?
Yeah, you up smidge.
Kyle, Jessie done smoked you.
Depending on how ratchet he has.
Oh, really? Where's your ratchet? In the trailer? Where I told you to get it out Monday morning?
Yeah. Just hey, busy.
Your tools are still in there, huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm giving him shit about.
His tools have been in there since what, Florida?
Yeah.
Almost
Yeah.
a month?
I know, and look how much more we got done without him.
That is pretty funny.
Something just tells me to pull these fuel blocks out the back here.
That just goes to fucking tell you that hey, no matter what, I'm still getting shit done.
Yeah. Not that size. It's this size. I'm just gonna pull these fuel blocks off because I don't want to bump into them.
Yep.
There's only one bolt holding each one on, so we should be okay. Easy.
How many injectors does this motor take?
16.
Like here.
That's how you know the party's real.
Yeah, Michael. Just like you got.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Michael, you do.
Yeah, he's just 8 of his are just a little different than the other ones.
Nobody has to know that, Michael.
Quit peer pressuring me.
He's like, I can get a bigger fuel tank. We can just run it on methanol, no problem.
Might as well get a bigger turbo at that point. Or another.
Yeah,
Selfie, Stacie.
that little 5.3's gonna be like, oh, fuck you guys.
Yeah.
All right. Push back, Michael.
It's all the way back.
No, you push. Yeah.
Oh. There you go. Yep. You're lined up on this side. Yep.
Like the holes lined
Like
up?
I can put a bolt in it.
Okay.
Got my bolt up there.
I got her, Kyle.
So you tilt that.
No, we're good. We're good. And I'll give you the long one. need to come up. Okay, you got a rocket my way with it, Kyle?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I had
Pick
it.
up on it, yep. I have some more. There you go. It's in.
Okay. I'm gonna be able to see.
Oh wow, look at you're
I'm gonna
able to see.
fucking see.
You're able to see better than I can see.
No way, I love it. I fucking love it, man.
Oh, this thing sits deep in here.
Yeah.
I like it.
It sits good in here. I like. What do we have? Oh, bro. We didn't have to bolt that tranny up.
Yeah, we know that's gonna fit.
That's.
Yeah, 100 miles. Now, in our blower pulley, so here's the deal. It might get a little bigger, but we got room because the back's tipped a little bit. Oh, my angle finder's up here. We got another one, mechanical one, right here somewhere.
That's nice in there.
Huh. Oh, that fits perfect. You gotta think, we are gonna have, I think, a 1-inch spacer for nitrous between the blower and the hat. There should be just a dial one, Kyle, around old school style. Over here somewhere. I found it the other day and I was like, oh, there's that one. Oh, right here. Not. I gotta get a magnet. No. Kyle.
Good shit, man.
Oh, yeah.
You close?
2.5. That's where it needs to be at. Okay. And the only thing we just got to make sure is that we can swap these pulleys around, because this is the 10-pound setup and the other way is the 14-pound setup. But I think these can stay back here. Oh yeah. Yeah. You like the
All
motor right
kinds
here,
of
Kyle?
room.
Yeah. Yep, I think.
You think this is where we should run it?
Yeah. That was good.
All the way around.
Firewall. Right?
Yeah.
Behind the bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite a bit of space.
Oh, we got.
Well, and the way that that tranny is, the bell housing like dives fast. There ain't no, ain't no bullshit around it. So. Yep. And just like that, we're ready to do body work and paint this engine bay, huh, Kyle?
Yeah.
Okay, now as you can see, all gold everything, right? We're on track. I got some really good clear mix up in this cup right here. I'm just running this little gun because it's what I have. I haven't dug all my stuff out of storage yet since the move. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. Okay, and one other thing I want to address. This car is up here on the lift without any masking on it. There's a bunch of stuff without much masking on it. Okay, we can do that because we actually wiped this car down with an overspray soap. It's a 3M pink soap that just washes right off. So basically, it puts a protective film over it, and then once we're done, we wash it off. We knew this car was going to be sitting here for a while, and we had to do some other paintwork and stuff on the bottom side and in the engine bay. So we already had sprayed it down with this soap. It's been sitting on there. It's just like soap, so when we get it wet, it'll wash right off. But that's why that is uncovered. I don't want people saying, oh my God, they got that thing uncovered. It's crazy overspray, blah, blah, blah. No, no, no. It's going to be just fine. We have it under control. But thanks for being worried about it. So back to work. There it is. Toyota Gold with the clear coat. Man, this video definitely does this thing justice. It looks so good. All right, so it's like midnight. I got it painted, clear coated, unmasked. As you can see, it looks really good next to that fresh black. So I was hoping I would have been done a little sooner so I could get the motor put back in it, but it is not dry enough to do that. And as much as I think I can risk it and get it in there tonight just for the gratification, I'm not gonna do it because I always do that and I always screw myself. And I'm just not wanting to move backwards anymore on this stuff. So it's hot in here, it's humid in here. You know, as you can see, that bad boy looks good. I'll get some other videos and stuff in here for you guys. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out badass. I'm gonna do the control arms and sway bar in the front gloss black, and then I'm gonna do all the rear bars and rear end this gold also, I think. I haven't decided yet. And then obviously I'm gonna need some gold on that bad boy. I haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do there either. I'm pretty sure the valve covers are gonna get put gold, and I'm pretty sure that the blower head's gonna be gold, at least. So again, there it is. I'm out for tonight. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. We will be doing a lot more videos on this thing, but I appreciate you guys for watching. It means a lot to me. This has been a big journey for me. I'm humping through this thing really fast, and I'm trying to build the baddest burnout car, fun, cool, something that represents me, and hopefully I'm doing it justice. So let's go.